Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, hope everyone is doing great. Right now in front of you viewers, HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2135 printer. This is Ink Jet technology. What is the issue with this printer? If I will give print command or copy command, it's right after the command showing an error paper jam, and sometimes it's getting the paper but it's stuck in the middle. It's not feeding properly. Okay, it's feeding in the middle and it's getting stuck. There is an issue with this printer is feeding the paper. So what is the causes if your printer is getting jammed the paper or it's showing paper error? How to fix this? Stay with me, watch the complete video. First of all, I will uh, turn this printer over to make sure that if something getting stuck from the paper feed tray here, most of the time something fallen from here and it's getting stuck inside the roller. So how to see the steps to find if there is anything inside? You will, in the back side of this Deskjet printer, remove this tape and open this cover, and you will see here is a small pumpkin seeds inside. If you will see, here is pumpkin seed. That is the cause to getting this stuck paper jam. Okay, this was inside. First of all, you have to open it and find something fall from here, and then you can do this also if something more. Then right after this, close this cover. And what is the second option to make sure either it's something inside or not? With the help of flat screwdriver, you have to lift this roller up to make sure that if something is inside. Like with the help of flat screwdriver, if you will see, I will lift it and will see down, and there is nothing. Here also nothing. I can see there is nothing also, and here is nothing. Okay, we will close this and we'll open the paper tray, input tray, and then I will insert the paper again, and to make sure that still is there paper jam error or not. And you can see guys, it's feeding very well, and there is no, before it was showing no paper light here, and now it's totally fine. There is no more error. So this was the method. I will repeat again. If you got stuck in any Deskjet printer, it's unable to feed the paper or getting paper jam error, so first of all you have to find from here, you have to open these two locks from here to find something might be fall down from the top of the printer. So this was the method. If you have any question guys, you can ask me in the comments about any Deskjet printer. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.